Welcome to our series of videos taking a look at how to get started with Plottr and the My Account section of the website. In this video, we're going to take a look at how to reset your password in the event that you've lost or can't find it. So from the Plottr website, you can click on the login icon along the top, and this will take you to the login page. And underneath the orange login button is an icon for Lost Your Password. If you click here, it will bring you to a page where you can reset your password using your email address. So simply type in your email address here and click Reset Password. You'll get a confirmation that an email has been sent, and then simply open your email account. It may take a few minutes for the email to go through, and be sure to check your spam or promotions folder if you can't find it. Inside the email, you can reset your password by clicking on the link or by copying and pasting the link into your browser's navigation bar. And it's brought me to a page where I can reset my password. So I simply have to create a new password. And re-enter it. Then click Reset Password. And now my password has been reset, and for security purposes, I just have to log in again using that password I just created. And you can click on Remember Me if you'd like this browser to remember you in the future. And now you can see I'm back up and in my account. Well, that covers our overview of resetting the password for your Plottr account. If you found this video useful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and leave any questions in the comments below. And subscribe to the channel for all our latest videos, information, and updates. And I'll see you in the next video.